Roy Sam has asked me to do a video on the Lishi Master Lock M1 4-pin, and this is a tool. See that it's a 4-pin. Now, I'm not very good with Lishis. It takes a lot of practice and technique to make them work as easy as Chris and a few others, lockpicking lawyer. So I will give it a try. I don't know if I'll succeed or not, but we'll give it a go. This is a master number 1. And I'll see if I can remember not to lock it back up accidentally, and so I can decode it. Get this all the way back. Insert it into the lock. And give it a shot. Pin 1, little click, pin 2, click, pin 3, nothing, pin 4, little click, overset these very easily. You have to restart. Overset that first time. Let's try it again. Click. Click. There. Open. All right, now let's decode it. Do that by going with this needle and going down on each one till it stops. And see if I can get in there. See that it's stopping here. See, on pin number 2. 2 is over here. The line goes between 1 and 3. You can see it's sitting on that. So pin number 1 is a number 2 pin. It looks like it's a number 3 pin. Appears to be a number 6, pin 4 is a number 4. So that's picking master M or master number 1 with the, pull back, with the Lishi M1, M3. So I hope that this helps you, Roy, and maybe even Murloc. I believe he was looking into this as well. So thanks for watching.